Want to get back into your WordPress admin dashboard but can't remember the exact URL? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through quick and reliable ways to recover your WordPress admin URL, so you can jump right back into managing your site. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find that missing login page, whether you're running a classic WordPress setup or something a little more custom. Alright, let's get started. The easiest method is to try the standard default paths that most WordPress sites use for their admin login. WordPress is designed to be predictable, so if you haven't changed anything fancy in your configuration, you're usually just a single URL away. Head to your browser and enter your website's main domain, followed by /wplogin php, for example, yourdomain.com/wplogin php. This is the go-to login page for WordPress out of the box. If you hit enter and see the familiar login form, you're in business. If that doesn't quite work, don't give up yet. Another shortcut is /wpadmin at the end of your domain, like yourdomain.com/wpadmin. This actually tries to access the admin dashboard, and if you're not already logged in, it quickly redirects you right to the login screen. It's just another friendly nudge from WordPress to make your life easier. Sometimes, what happens is you'll have your WordPress installed in a subdirectory. Maybe you set up your blog at yourdomain.com/blog. In that case, tack on /wplogin php or /wpadmin to the subfolder, such as yourdomain.com/blog/wpadmin. Similarly, if you're using a subdomain, let's say blog yourdomain.com, make sure you add /wpadmin there too. Now, what if you try all those and it's still not working? This is super common if you've changed settings, installed some security plugins, or your hosting company did something special. Fortunately, most modern hosting panels offer a shortcut, a one-click login right into your WordPress dashboard. And you don't even need to remember the admin URL. For example, if you're with Hostinger, head over to the website section in your hosting panel. There's an admin panel button, just click it, and you're magically inside your WordPress backend. SiteGround users, you'll want to go into Websites, then Site Tools, and you'll spot a WordPress admin login button there. WP Engine takes a similar approach. Log into their user portal and look for the WP admin link next to your site. Click it and you're in. If you're using Bluehost, jump into the Websites tab and select Edit Site. You'll find a direct launch into your dashboard. The beauty of these hosting shortcuts is you don't have to fuss with remembering URLs or worrying about typos. The hosting company does the hard work for you. And this can be a real lifesaver, especially if you manage several sites or you've done some custom tweaks in the past. In summary, don't panic if you can't recall your WordPress admin link, just try the default URLs first. Check your folders and subdomains, and if all else fails, your hosting panel almost always has your back. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And leave a comment below with any questions or issues you ran into. I love helping out and learning from your experiences. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more practical WordPress tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back into your site.